feed. Okay, hello. Yeah, no, it can be customized with any feed, not a problem. Okay, but we basically give you all this feed, amibroker, and this ROBOTRADER. All these will be customized with your protein diet. Okay, 1 second, sir. Hello. Yeah, that's it, sir. Hello. Yeah, basically we'll give you two different strategies. One is like power profit strategy, another one is best super trade. Okay, and these two strategies will definitely give you a refined buy sell signals rather, because we are getting more than 10 to 15 power super trends in the net. Okay, but all those signals will give you more than 5 to 6 buy sells at any point of time, like you can see this below. It has given some 5 to 6 buy sell signals, whereas in this signal which we give you the strategy, that gives you a clear buy sell signal without any too much of trades rather. If you do a lot of trades, you will be ending up with brokerage loss, something like that. Okay, so that's what this is. Actually a power profit strategy. Based on this buy sell signals, this ROBOTRADER will place orders into your order diet. Okay, but basically you have to customize your portfolio. Say for example, if you want to trade in silver, micro, gold, and if you want to add some other segments like NSE, F&O, Nifty, Bank Nifty, all the stuff, you can add basically. Nifty, basically this system is designed for MCX actually. This robo is customized for MCX, but I'll try and add you. Okay. So basically this amibroker signal has to be, symbol has to be put in robo. See, listen. So amibroker symbol, yeah, manually we have, yeah, manually you need to customize your portfolio alone. Other things will be taken care by the robot. See, for example, I've customized silver, micro, gold, crude oil, and aluminium, and I'm just going to add this Nifty -I. This is actually the amibroker symbol, and we have to put this exchange symbol like Nifty. It will be Nifty only, right? And you have to select this like future index, and for every point you will be earning some 1 rupee only, right? 50 points is like one lot, but we have to put this expiry date also here. Yeah, exactly. This quantity is actually the number of lots to be placed by ROBOTRADER. You're just ordering the ROBOTRADER to place so many lots like that. Okay. So based on these signals generated by the amibroker, this will place orders in your system. This is how it works basically, and you have to save this portfolio before you. Yeah, exactly. What is the expiry? Nifty must be like 28th of March. Okay. Yeah, I'll explain. 1 second. At this, like quantity symbol, you have to place enter. Then only it will be accepted. Then you have to save this portfolio. Once it is saved, okay, you just have to start this robot. See, now this robot is in normal mode. This robot will place orders only if this is in normal mode. If you don't want this to be on, you can stop the service or even make it as a semi-auto mode. Means, if it is in semi-auto mode, buy sell signals will be shown to you, but it not place orders in the system or in the app. Okay, yeah, exactly. You can do it manually. Once it is turned into normal mode, that will place orders. Okay, and the thing is that you have customized silver, micro, gold, and crude plus Nifty. All these are there in your portfolio, right? So similarly, you have to have this 5 different charts here. You have added Nifty, gold, crude, and you have to add 2 other charts so that they will get signals from this chart. Okay, the thing is that all these charts should be available in the amibroker, and you have to check whether the best real-time feed is okay. That is, it is updating up like per second to second. That is why you got to check. Okay. The thing is that you have to check whether the system is working, rent is good, and power is there. These are the things you have to take care. But other things will be taken care by the robot. You're getting it? So basically, this cell has initiated somewhere here, and some 50% of profit would have been booked here, and remaining lot will be holding, like, because like it will trade like that only. We have given some parameters also. We can change it manually. It depends on your this thing only. Say for example, in this first target, you can book 50%, and in the second target, you can book remaining 50%. Or else, if you don't want that, you can book the entire. We give only 2 targets. Yeah, 2 targets and 1 stop loss. Okay. If you don't want this, like so. Yeah. You want the returns about? Hello? Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, basically this strategy is designed like, it has a Fibonacci level, like based on the Fibonacci levels, the stop loss will be taken care. That is like you can see, it is actually taken in 15 minutes candle. If you are going to have it in 5 minutes candle, you will be having a lesser number of points and lesser number of targets. Like you're getting it here. You can see like that is all. It depends on the end user rather. They can even trade more, like selecting 1 minute or 5 minutes. It depends on their risk profit goal, like something like that. But the robot will just place orders on your behalf, and the position will be taken care by the robot. But we don't give any commitment on the strategy part. But the thing is that we have given you a well-refined strategy which eliminates too many buy sell signals. That is the basic idea based on the strategy which we give. Okay, and that is how, like if at all, like a good trader, if he don't want to trade too many things, he can go in for 15 minutes. We suggest you to go in for 15 minutes. Like you'll be ending up with a good, decent profit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Correct, correct. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. Acha. Correct, correct, correct. Yeah, basically, yeah, that's what. Correct. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. That's what we have. Stick with this strategy, like power profit, and the other one is best super trend. I mean, these two strategies are really giving us what actually, like even more than 10% also. But we don't want to commit on the returns part because like it depends on the market. Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. That depends on your only. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. In fact, in January we got some 30% profit. Okay. And on a, yeah, 30% based on like 1 lakh invest 30. That's what. If the market is really like trending, like either like it can be or bullish or negative, but it should not stay in a single line. Like the market should not be sluggish. If any movement is there in the market, this robo will capture each and every opportunity is there. That is like it is like a trend trading. If the trend is bigger, you will be making more money. Correct? Yeah, basically this strategy has additional some formulas like the standard deviation. All these 2 or 3 factors are being taken care by this strategy. And apart from that, this strategy can be used for multi timing. Like once you're trading in Nifty, you can have Nifty 15 minute chart here, and you can add another Nifty with 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Number of trades. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. That's all. Correct. Exactly. That's all. That's what we suggest you to go in with this 15 or 30, whatever. But the thing is that, yeah, 15 or 30, that will be the best return like this. Okay. I don't want to commit on a year's time frame, but the thing is that monthly, our customers are getting more than 78%. In fact, they're getting 70% of the renewal for the second and third month on. So the customers are really satisfied with these strategies. That is why they just, yeah, exactly. That's what we are like, in the system for more than 1.5 years. In fact, okay, we have developed this software last 2011 something somewhere. Yeah. In fact, we like, yeah, we have. Yeah, that's what like that's the thing. That is why we are just confident in that. We are just developing that. Yeah, correct. That's what I don't want to commit on it because like any strategies which has a definite return, like there's no chance of having this 150. Yeah, we should have, yeah. Correct. The thing is that this robo works basically based on the highly liquid stock and which has a good real momentum. The thing is that there should not. That's obviously better. Like Nifty is the best liquid stock in fact. You can do any volume in that. Yeah, correct. That's all. Okay. Basically, we have good. Yeah, I'll just send you through mail like thing. Okay, so that you just give me a mail ID. I'll give you the clear proposal, something like that. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Please. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಅದೇ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಚ್ಚಿರೋಣ
வந்து